It's elevating. The bed is gonna do for her. Alright, go back down, go back down. Back. Yeah, you know. That's my little yay right there. Come back a little bit. Yep, yep. So right now, I'm gonna show y'all how I lay my bed and, you know, give it that luxury look, you feel me? So, yeah, it's real simple and easy. Stay tuned. Yeah, as y'all can see, I took everything off and this is my comforter. So I start with putting on the comforter. And look, fun fact though, when she comes to the spot, she don't gotta arch her back. The bed will do for her. Y'all see, look, it's elevating. The bed is gonna do for her. Alright, go back down, go back down. Back. Yeah, you know. That's my little yay right there. Come back a little bit. Yep, yep. So after that, you don't just tuck them in, right? You go like this, and you go like that, and then now you tuck them in. Alright? So look, y'all see that? Alright. And then, you know, you do the easy tuck in, and you do the same thing on this side. And you make sure it's nice and tucked. And make sure the comforter is like aligned with the bed, not too much on the inside. So you do the same thing on the other side. After you put on you put your comforter on the bed, you go with this one. Mine's are always the ones with elastic. Like if you go to Burlington on anywhere Target and you buy the six piece, it will come with the one with the elastic ends and the one with the regular one. So I'm gonna start with putting this, the one with the elastic ends, on it. And then you do the same. So after that, you put on the normal one. I know, it's a lot of process, but you know, think about the angle. Think about the angle. You put too much work in yourself and the things around you that defines you. Anybody that gonna come around you, they gonna give you some respect. I don't care about anybody but the females, you feel me? The females, the honeys, the honey bunnies, you feel me? When they come to your spot, you'll be like, damn, you feel me? Rather than that, damn, bro, they're already naked. You see what I'm saying? Damn, like it just comes off. Like the moment, and you know, my room is not gonna stink. It's always gonna have some good smell. After this, I'm gonna show you something. It's always gonna have some good smell. So when they come in, damn, even if they're depressed, it's gonna change their face from this to that within seconds. So stay tuned. So you see, there's this. You tuck them in smoothly. You tuck them in. And when it comes to this side again, guys, pardon me, guys. I didn't know it was going to be this dark. My apologies. The same thing. But just use the same instruction as the comforter, like the first white thing that I put on. So, you know, it's pretty much the same thing. Just follow that and do that for everything, and you'll be fine. All of them. Tuck them in. See? And then I'm gonna do the other side, and then we're done. So yeah, I got 6 pillows. So I like to mix it up sometimes. So first, I'm gonna show you how I tuck in the pillow. You tuck in one side first, and you tuck in the other side. Okay, so look. All right, so whenever you do this, it's not gonna be easy for the pillow to fall out or like to come outside. So yep, and I'll do the same thing to all. So you see the blue, black, and the white, and I'm gonna put some blue, black on it. You feel me? Like splash. Let it. So I'm saying, always remember, let the bottom face outside. Yep, there you go. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. My blanket. So I go like this, and then I fold it, and then, you know, I put it on the bed like this. So laying your bed and making it look nice, it's another thing. But y'all know what's gonna be even cooler? What's gonna be cooler is making it smell good. So when the honey bunnies, they come, they lay on it, like, damn, bro. Like right then and there, like they wanna give you a kiss. Like right then and there. Like, oh my God. Like, they're gonna wanna change their last name to your last name. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of secret that I do. Some people know, this is a disclaimer, some people might disapprove this, but it works for me all the time. I'm gonna show you something. Get something like this, you fill it with water. I'm gonna go for the water, but not all the way up, alright? I'm gonna show you something, stay tuned. So after you fill your water, right, you see like it's not all that full. Get your favorite fragrance or like your favorite smell, and you just all right, you put it in, and you know, I put my colognes too. a little bit, a little splat. I'm a cologne guy, so like, you know, I put a lot. You put it back in, close it, you know, you shake it a little bit. Even though, you know, it's not gonna dissolve because some of my cologne has oil in it, but you know, just shake it. The bottle itself is gonna smell like whatever you put it in there. You put in there. So shake it. Also, if your sheets are or your pillows are wrinkled, it's gonna straighten it out because it's water. Like 95% of it is water, so it's gonna unwrinkle. It's gonna. Y'all know what I mean, bro. Y'all know what I mean. I'm tired of trying to be professional and like sound like I'm smart. Like, y'all know what I mean, bro. If your sheets are wrinkled, like if you put water on it, it's gonna straighten everything out. Yeah, that was the word I was looking for. So I'm gonna show y'all. My room is smelling like heaven right now. Even though I never been there, but smelling good, you feel me? Like this is a rich broke lifestyle, you feel me? Rich broke lifestyle. Like you don't gotta get all those fancy stuff. You just gotta make it work. Wherever you find yourself in, whatever situation you find yourself in, you just gotta make it work, you feel me? This is the situation I found myself in. I make it work. So that's it.